What's up, YouTube? This is my truck. I wanted to introduce it to y'all. The first modifications I did to my truck was lowering. So I put fender flares on it, I put suburban running boards on it, and I slammed it to the ground, aka slam dually. It's the OBS slam dually. So I also towed with it. Man, if it could fit on my trailer or if it hooked up to my truck, I didn't mind towing it. You can see I'm towing one of my classic BMWs. I collect classic BMWs, but I've been through everything with this truck, guys. A lot of people don't like the 6.5 turbo diesels. And when I say I've been through everything, I've been through everything. So I'm pretty much self-taught on this truck because I've owned it so long. I probably had this truck for about 13 and a half years. So the motor's been out twice. I've changed injectors. I dealt with injection pumps. All the stuff that you've seen on the forums, I've dealt with. So I'm pretty well versed, I think, when it comes to my truck because I've been through it all. So this is going to be my last hoorah on sticking with this 6.5 turbo diesel. I wanted to do a Duramat swap eventually, but who knows? There's a lot going on. This is going to be my, like I said, last hoorah with this motor. The motor went out because my harmonic balancer went out, which these trucks are known for. So I rebuilt the motor, bearings, crank, pistons, and different things like that, kind of freshen the motor up. I did everything. Well, yeah, I would say I did everything but head studs. I did all the bearings and everything like that. You can see right here the material in the pickup tube for the bearings that went bad. I pushed the truck outside the shop, pressure washed it, cleaned it up before I stored it. And I kind of pride myself on my truck being clean. Now, it's not the cleanest OBS by far, but I would call it old man clean, especially on the inside. So people used to look at my truck and couldn't believe how clean it was on the inside. On the weekends, we used to tinker, whether it was doing shocks or brakes or whatever. We used to do stuff like that, like most of you guys on YouTube. So I just never recorded it and stuff. So this is going to be my new journey on recording what's going on with my truck, getting my truck back on the road, sharing it with you guys. And I'm very excited for this adventure because the stuff that I'm showing you now are kind of old stuff. My truck is actually not running right now, but you guys are coming with me to see me put it back on the road. You can see it's pretty clean. I mean, I absolutely love my truck. So hopefully pretty soon, guys, we could be right back in that driver's seat again, and you guys will be coming with me. Guys, brother KJ, Cool Cars with KJ, has motivated me to get my truck back on the road. I absolutely love his content. Another brother is 87 Chevy Boy. He's motivated me to get my truck back on the road without knowing that they're motivating me. Just watching their content. Both of them have awesome content. Family guys, family content. I like that. And guys,